Okay guys, in this video today we are gonna see on how to use the element text. Okay, in the previous tutorial we saw on how to use the column layout, and I wanna also show you something that I missed last time in the last tutorial, but like it's an option that you can use it. You have to consider that for all the elements. Okay, I'm talking about if you just click once here on the icon of the column, of the image, of the video, for example, of like the image here, whatever. What happened? You see what happened? The system will put the section that we want to use on the bar of the page. Okay, if we, for example, we forgot something here on the top of the page or on the middle or whatever, and we want to put some of these elements, what we have to do, we have to keep the icon, and then put it wherever we want. Okay, like I don't know, here, because inside to one box you can create another row and whatever. Or for example, today, as I said before, we are talking about the text. I want to put a text. Okay, now let me put just one arrow here. I want to use a text here. Okay, because it is the difference between the text and the headline. Of course, the headline, by default, he has a I can say a typography, font size, and the font type, whatever, different than the text. Okay, but as we are going to see now, you can modify it in any way. Okay, for example, you can delete it, you can type whatever you want. Okay, you can choose here the size, but you can also choose the font size from here. Okay, here the space between the bar and letter spacing, of course it means the space between each letter. I suggest you to don't touch anything here and leave it as a default. Here the margin, you can, for example, move all the margin, the full box, or you can choose that, for example, you can just move, you see, some part, and you will be redirected here. For example, to move the barrel we have to click here, or if you want to move the top, is this one, here is this one. So same thing for the padding inside the box. Inside of the box you can choose if you want on the middle, right or left, and the same things as we say and we saw, sorry, before. You can choose if you want to show up this on your desktop version or mobile, or just one of these. So this is for the text, the headline text, same things. You can change color, you can link it, you can put your link here, you can save, or you can put some image. This one means that people, when they click your text and it's linked by some website or whatever, like for example Clickly, they will open it in a new window. Okay, if you click here you unlink the text, and that's it. The options here are the same. So another element from the text is the bullet list. Again, if you keep the icon you can put it wherever you want. Here the the text, you can modify the text. Then same things, you can link it, you can also change color, and from here you can change the icon. Okay, you can change the color of the icon, the background. Okay, same things here on the top, you can move button left, right, or whatever. If you wanna move this, for example, here, you can just go here, click and keep it, and then you move. Let's see if there's something else. No, same things. Okay, here, okay, you can find this option in something other elements like delay before displaying item. So it means you can choose the is in second, like for example after 5 seconds. Okay, let's see what happened. You save the page, we go through the page, let's see. Okay, 5 seconds, and they will show us the box. Okay, go back, you can do it again. We don't have the box. 5 seconds, 4, 5, boom. Okay, it's easy. You can do it with any kind of elements, like a button, like image, everything. So I think for this box is everything for this element. Let's see other option. No, the last one for the text for this video is the content box. Like it's a box where you can, of course, almost the same things is like the same settings. You can modify the color, the text color. You can choose if your text color, the text, sorry, should be here in the middle, right, left, background of the box, and then let's see where is the is maybe here. Okay, you can choose, you can write whatever you want, and inside of the box you can put also whatever you want, an image, a text, whatever you want. Okay, let's see. No, I didn't save the page, so save anytime the page, anytime you do something. Okay, and let's see. So we don't have now the box. Let's see, 4, 5. Oh, okay, there we go. So this is everything for now, for this video. The next video tutorial we will see how to use the image, the video, the audio, and this carousel. Okay, so this is everything. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you have any question, I want to remember you that we have the chat to use like a support. See you in the next video, guys.